Hello fellow art practitioners, I was about to work on a 2D traditional sketch. However, I try to do some warm-up sketching first. It's almost like stretching before working out. I normally don't record this process, however, I decided to share. It varies on what I do. Sometime I work on lines and flow or line character with varying width, line target practice, shading, etc. These exercises are not very entertaining or interesting, so it's not recorded. Some artists have great difficulty with hands. This is my approach with sketching hands. I'm always checking out other artist work. I notice some artist work is awesome, everything works. But when it comes to the hands and feet, it is like it's two different artists, or the artist will use tricks to hide the hands and feet, which is seen a lot in sequential art/comic book art. The hands will be hidden by rocks, smoke, special effects, foliage, etc. Anything not to draw hands or feet. The first thing I look for is simplicity, connection, gesture, and proportion. It is a mindset to not think of the hand as something complicated. When you overthink the hand, that's when it becomes difficult, and a task you don't want to take on. However, after I observe those elements and have what I want loosely figured out mentally, it's only a matter of making slight corrections and consistently improving on the basic shapes and relationship to the overall of the image. From simplicity to the illusion of complicated. Keep your sketching and practice fun as possible, you will quickly improve. I hope this quick demo helps.